1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours. What can I do to get there? Hello everyone, this is Wilson and welcome to Wilson Tech TV. Today let's talk about something very important which is affecting a lot of creators around the world. YouTube institutes new rules for creators to become or to make money through advertising on YouTube. Well, now for creators to be eligible for YouTube Partner Program, they must have a total watch hour of 4,000 hours in the last 12 months and at least or minimum 1,000 subscribers, which is a lot. It's really a lot. If you may recall, YouTube before only required you to have 10,000 lifetime views on a channel to become a YouTube partner. Well, things have changed. Well, according to YouTube, these new rules will affect 99% of the creators, and these creators affected by these restrictions will only make around $100 per year on YouTube. Well, at some point it's not that much compared to other YouTubers who are making a living on YouTube, but it's a process and you can get there. Why is this happening now? Well, it seems like by the end of 2017, advertisers were not trusting YouTube to properly filter which creator were receiving ads on their videos, and at some point also creators were not trusting YouTube to fix the monetization issues that they were facing on their channels. If you trying to understand a little bit more about all this thing that is happening, you will understand that YouTube at some point relies on ads revenue to pay creators and also to pay the engineers and the coders that work for the platform. So at some point YouTube is not exactly a video service but an advertisement service. So if you start to lose these advertisers who are losing their trust on YouTube, at some point you are also losing your revenue. So YouTube thinks that instituting these new rules, they will make changes in these issues that were raised in the last couple of years in the community, and they can prevent bad creators for harming the aspiring and the creators around the world that are doing a great job and they are making their living through YouTube. So the rules are there and they will start to implement it on February 20th. Really close, in my opinion. Yes, really close. So what can you do, or what can we do to get this 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours on our channel? Well, I'll try to give you 5 tips to you that I try to implement in my channel, and I hope it will also help you to get this 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours on your channel. So without further ado, let's talk about these tips. Number 1, research. In my opinion, research is very important, but it also depends on certain questions that you will ask yourself that you need to answer. The main one is, why do you want to be a YouTuber? What are the reasons that drives you to become a YouTuber? There's a lot of reasons around the world. That's the reason that you have might differ from mine, might differ from other people, but you have your own reasons. So think in these reasons and also ask yourself, who are your target people? Who are the people that might be interested in your videos? Try to be more specific so you can, by the end of this research, you come up with a strategy to target your audience. Number 2, have an original idea. Well, it might sound difficult, but it's not. Well, YouTube has thousands, millions of videos talking about the same thing. It might be difficult to find an original idea, but it's possible. But if you don't find an original idea, what you can do to take a video that already exists on the media, on YouTube, and transform it in your personal way, trying to get an idea that already exists and do it in your way, so that people can identify yourself when they're watching your videos. Also, do a research. I believe just think, talk with your friends, talk with your family, what you can do, something different. Maybe the content is the same, but you try to bring it in a new way. Number 3, produce good quality videos. My friend, this might be a challenge because at some point, good quality videos, you may think that you need a good, properly and high quality gear, but you don't. If you have a smartphone, you can record a good quality videos. There are a few tips, there are a lot of tips on the web, but I'll leave the link in the description of some of the 3 channels that can help you to achieve this, which are the video influencers, Daryl Eves, and I believe a video creators channel. These 3 channels will help you a lot to overcome all these issues you face about the gear. And also there's a lot more tips about how you can improve your channel. So I recommend you to go there, watch those guys. They are great on the tips and you will love it. So one of the tips that I get in this subject number 3, which produce high quality video, well, use your phone, use your smartphone to record audio, to record video. It's very, very simple. You can do that if you have a bad light condition. Just record your video outside. Take advantage of the sun. There's a lot of resources. You do not need a lot of expensive gear. Okay. Number 4, post regularly. Be consistent. Create a schedule to upload your videos. This will help you to gain and maintain your audience on your channel. This step will also send an information to YouTube to say this guy in this channel is consistent, regularly is uploading a video to his channel. So it will help you to be discovered on YouTube. Please note that this step does not work alone. You have to follow all the steps. Okay. Number 5, be active on YouTube. This means you will need to comment on your videos. You will need to respond to the comments and questions from your audience. And also, some people may not like this, but this at some point will help. Subscribe to other people's channel. So at some point, those people where you subscribe, they can also go to your channel and see what you're posting, if the things you're posting interest them, and they also may subscribe to your channel. So you never know, but you must to engage with your community. Well guys, this is the 5 tips I had for you. I hope you like it, and if you did, like this video, and if you don't, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Ciao.